The following section is keywords. We can search for keywords on Amazon for your products. You have found the product, now we need to look for keywords for it to raise his rank, so that he shows up in the right places. How to do it? You can search by keyword. If we click a keyword like kitchen knife, he will now give out all the keywords similar to this key, kitchen knife. I have a free video course for optimizing listing on Amazon. There I work with Helium 10, but for those who use Jungle Scout or want to use Jungle Scout is cheaper than Helium 10. You can take the principles from this course. Now it will appear here at the top and in the description. Here's my course. You can also write Helium 10 listing optimization free full course on YouTube. There are already more than 2,000 views of this course. There are 13 lessons. The first lesson is introductory, but you will be able to walk through the entire course. It lasts for about 2 hours and take the principles from this course using the Jungle Scout. Jungle Scout gives approximately similar opportunities to search for keys. It just doesn't make sense to do a full course about the keyword selection right now because it will take another couple of hours. I hope you are still here with me. Please like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Ask questions in the comments, subscribe for even longer, such deep videos where I explain everything step by step. I hope you are not too bored. Let's go back. A link to this course is in the description. There are also links to all Jungle Scout discounts, annual plans, monthly, and so on. Here it will find the keywords related to the kitchen knife key. He found 4,952 similar keywords. Here you can see how many searches for this key in 30 days. You can see the key on Amazon. You can click Search on Amazon, and it will find kitchen knife in the search engine. You can see how the trend is going over the last 30 days of this key and how the trend has been going for 90 days. How much is this 30-day broad search? Now, what is a broad? What is exact? Exact is if we write kitchen knife. We type kitchen knife into the search 33,000 times per month. It's approximately. A broad writes 231,000. What is broad? This is when this key is available but writes, for example, big kitchen knife sharp. This is already a broad key. There are even more such searches. But what does this give us? It just shows that there are many searches in this niche. People are interested in this product. There is significant demand. People need this product. Dominant categories: kitchen and dining. Recommended promotions. How much advises daily promotions to get into the top 3 positions on Amazon? He suggests making 60 promotions in about 7 to 14 days to get into the top 3. But I'll tell you, because the numbers are not always correct here. After all, 60 promotions are hardly enough to get to the first page. I'm sorry, these are daytime promotions. Everything is fine. I take back my words. Here are the daily promotions. You must promote 60 knives daily to get to this key stop. But you ask, who will give out 60 promotions a day now? Therefore, this product is not super suitable for beginners because it is expensive. Almost 100 pieces will have to be promoted. Big brands or big uncles with big wallets can promote as much. But again, it depends on what kind of uncle or aunt you are. So see for yourself. But this is how much it advises. Here you need 60 per day for 7 to 14 days to reach the top position. It is okay. Yes, this is still possible generally with the key kitchen knife. Also, here is the sponsored brand ad bit. What is a sponsored brand? If you write some key on Amazon, we will see brand advertising. See? Here is such a product. Different knives, although similar. I didn't even notice at first. This shows how much the bid is worth. How much will it cost one click? If I'll click on it now, someone will get minus $3.98. This is not an exact figure, it depends on the keys. It depends where it appears on which page. There's much stuff there. This is the average value that it calculates. He says it's about $3.98 to get your put here. But again, this is not all accurate. These are its approximate values according to algorithms. The next one is the PPC bid. How much will it cost to advertise on this word? For example, this is a regular advertisement. Sponsored is an advertisement. And this is a regular one, not sponsored. It says to show up in sponsored results. How much does a click in this niche cost approximately? $1.64. Next, there is such information here. There are keys. You can again remove all these things, leave something, but if we need to watch only the trend for 30 days, and only the broad trend for 30 days of keys, then we can only leave them. There are also filters. You can filter these keywords. For example, we want to see keywords where at least 4 words are in them. Word count. For example, we will write apply and we will see keywords related to kitchen knife, which have at least 4 words inside. Cuchillos de chef profesional. These are professional knives for the chef. In Spanish. Forged in fire knives, 4 words. At least there are long keywords. This way we will be able to find keywords for our product. I advise you to watch this free course. There is no water there, I want to hope, and really, it will show you how to type good keywords, and with an approach that really helps to choose out the keywords for your products as well as possible. These filters also have categories. We can choose a specific category if you found kitchen knife in different categories. Or we want a minimum of keywords that have 3,000 searches there per month. Before it was 4,200 keys, and now there are 71 keys left. 71 keywords that have at least 3,000 searches per month. These are the most important keywords associated with this product. This way you can search for keywords. You can search by keyword, or you can take the ASIN of the product. For example, you need DeMarco. Take its ASIN and paste it into the keyword scout. See how ASIN inserted. And make a search. What does it mean? Instead of taking the keyword kitchen knife, I inserted the product here. Now Jungle Scout will pull out of this product all the keywords for which this product is ranked. And thus you can take several competitors or pump out top keywords from them. Or for example, take 10 top competitors. What does a top competitor mean? That means they know what they are doing. Let me make refresh while I'll tell you further. And from the top competitors, we will pump the words because, well, they're at the top. They know what they are doing. Am I right? In that course, everything is more straightforward. That's it, we got it. Here 2,258 words were pumped out by which this key is ranked. What does this give us? Now I understand that when we wrote kitchen knife, we were shown all the keys associated with kitchen knife. There may be unnecessary keywords there, but since this product, it already sells well, it is in this category, it is such a specific knife. For example, we're interested in such knives. It's not a cleaver. This is an ordinary knife. It probably won't rank on the butcher knife key, although maybe yes. It ranks according to the right relevant keys and sells well. We pulled all the keywords out of it. Now we can take several competitors and also pull out all these keywords from them. Approximately, there will be a similar output here. There are different filters here too. You can add several people, you can add several competitors. Take this competitor, take it, and, I don't know, any other similar one there. For example, this Santoku. A similar knife. Let's take it and add it here too. We can take another knife, and so we will see all the similar knives that we have selected in our key search results. And so, we will be able to search for keywords for the product. I'll repeat it again. I really have a good free course, which I left you in the description, for selecting keys and generally building a listing on Amazon. So we have different competitors here. We see what keywords they have in the listing. You can compare them with other knives here. And from here, you can pump out these keywords. There are different filters for them. You can remove something here, add it, as we have done before, and thus pump out keywords. Cool thing, keywords. Because really, we can find the right keywords for ourselves, and this is done through Jungle Scout or through Helium 10. At the moment, I use Helium 10 more, but since the guys asked me to show what a Jungle Scout is, I think it's also worth showing. When I started trading on Amazon, I started with Jungle Scout and used it a lot. Therefore, there is some knowledge related to this program. What else do we have here? This way you can select these keywords and continue to work with them. You can take and add these keywords, that we have left in the list? We have a keyword list. Let's make them smaller. Let's take the keywords that at least have 3,000 searches per month in them. And now we will drag them further and work with them. I'll show you what else you can do in Jungle Scout with keys. Now we click on Apply. The necessary keywords should catch up, which have at least 3,000 searches in them. These keywords remained. What are we doing? Click here. Do an Add Keyword to List. We will make a key list. Let's call it Phrases for Knife. And we will do Create and Add. Ready. We made this key list.